Hello and welcome back to the Just Draw series. Today we are working on an alien, a gray alien. The traditional weird big bug-eyed type, the skinny ones, the gray skin types, the ones you see everywhere in popular culture. With all the drones flying around, with all the news coverage of UFOs, UAVs, or whatever they're called now, I thought a perfect subject for the new Just Draw would be an alien. So anyways, this alien has been listening to all the social media saying that there's gotta be aliens flying around the East Coast, all over the United States, wherever else. And he is absolutely mortified that people think it's him. In this one, I didn't have a lot of time to sit down and do it at once. So as you can see as I go along here, there's a lot of layers. I go over it again, switch it to blue, make a new layer, go over it again. The overall look of it kind of evolved as I went along. I think if I would have finished it sooner, it would have been smoother and a different finish than it ended up being. But yeah, it was fun. It was a digital drawing. I used Clip Studio Paint, and it was interesting to work on. It's always fun to work on something that isn't necessarily a human face, but then you have to think your way through it. Think, where's the muscles? Where's the skin folds? Where does the light hit? Things like that. Starting to work more on fine line work. Yeah, as I went along, I worked on this in between other projects, so it became the victim of less attention than I would have liked to have had on it. In other words, I worked on it a little bit here, had to stop, work on client work. Had some time, got back to it, changed my mind on something, added a new layer, went on and on. I could have done this one until the end of the year if I wanted to. And it probably would have ended up with the same finish detail work as it has now. But yeah, it's one of those projects that just ended up being a in-between type of thing. Don't get me wrong, I still like it. I still had fun with it. I think it turned out pretty good. But yeah, I do wish I would have had more time to just sit down at one time and work on it. But it was interesting to see how it evolved, how my mood changed on things, and how it turned out. And here we are finishing up our gray alien, who's very annoyed at drones. Yeah, all in all, it was a fun project, and I'm very happy that I went ahead and finished it. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some random Wheel of Chance drawings soon, so come back and check them out.